What is your biggest e-commerce migration failure?
Yeah, I'd say that, well, there are two. One of them is when I shared this in my presentation. So when the final website should be good enough. That was one of the learnings for me. When the company came to me and I checked everything, and I realized that they're not, even if they go live with this website, they're not going to be successful, and so they're still not live. So it's not technically a failure, but it's a failure from their side to understand that it needs to be done beforehand. But the real failure is that one website, it's an e-commerce website, and I did an audit for them, and it was the worst website that I've ever seen. They migrated their framework, and then they are on React.js right now. But actually the screenshot that I showed you at the beginning was for that website. So they didn't have any SEO considerations. They didn't have anybody from the SEO related field for them to help. So basically, they lost everything. They lost most of the traffic, and they were huge. So when I was checking them in archive.org, I was thinking that it's just easier for them to roll back to that version without even the framework than to fix everything, because the content could not be seen by Google. The images, their links are not crawlable at all, and Google sees everything as one page, and it canonicalizes all the internal pages to the home page. So it's a pretty big failure.